Did your Toyota start falling apart after 100,000 miles? You're not alone. Most Toyota owners spend over $1,500 a year on repairs after that point, and it can jump to $3,000 once you hit 200,000 miles. But here's the thing, with the right care, it can easily cross 500,000 miles without any major repairs. In this video, I'll show you 13 simple habits that'll keep your Toyota running like new for years to come. Be sure to watch till the end, because the last 3 are the most powerful habits that can save you thousands alone. Let's get started. Number 1. Use the right driving mode for your Toyota. Your Toyota isn't just built tough, it's also smart. Nowadays, all Toyota models come with different drive modes like Eco Mode, Power Mode, and Normal Mode. These aren't just buttons for fun, they actually help your car last longer. Eco Mode is your best friend in traffic or when you're cruising at steady speeds. It softens the throttle and adjusts the air conditioning so your Toyota burns less fuel and puts less stress on the engine. Over time, this helps reduce wear and tear on key parts. Power Mode gives your Toyota a boost when you need it, like during overtaking, but it also uses more gas and puts an extra load on the engine, so save it for when it's really needed. Using the right mode at the right time can keep your Toyota healthy and help it sail past 500,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Number 2. Keep your Toyota's filters fresh. Your vehicle breathes and stays healthy with the help of 2 key filters, the oil filter and the air filter. These little parts play a big role in keeping your engine clean and running strong. The oil filter keeps the engine oil free from gunk and metal bits as it flows through the motor. The air filter stops dirt and dust from entering the engine when your Toyota inhales air to burn fuel. But here's the catch. Both filters get dirty over time. When that happens, your engine has to work harder, wastes more gas, and wears out faster. For most Toyotas, it's smart to replace the oil filter with every oil change, usually every 5,000 miles. The air filter, check it once a year, or more often if you drive in dusty areas. Pro tip: drivers who regularly use Eco Mode in city traffic report up to 20% better fuel economy, which also means fewer trips to the gas station. Number 3. Clean your Toyota's MAF sensor. Ever wonder how your car knows how much fuel to use? That's the job of a small but important part called the Mass Airflow Sensor, or MAF sensor. If you have a Toyota Camry, Corolla, Tacoma, or RAV4, you can find it near the air filter box. The MAF sensor measures how much air enters the engine, helping your Toyota's computer mix just the right amount of fuel. But over time, dirt and oil build up on its tiny wires. When that happens, your engine might run rough, hesitate when accelerating, or even stall. You might also see a check engine light with codes like P0100 to P0104. Here's a quick fix. Unplug the sensor, take it out, and gently clean it with an MAF sensor cleaner. Never use WD-40 or brake cleaner. Let it dry and pop it back in. Even some Toyota owners who clean their MAF sensors regularly report a 10 to 15% improvement in fuel economy almost instantly. That's a win for your engine and your wallet. Number 4. Plan smart routes. Do you know frequent short trips never let your engine reach its optimal temperature, which can cause faster wear? Every stoplight, traffic jam, and U-turn adds wear to your Toyota's engine, brakes, and fuel system. That's why smart route planning is more than just saving time. It helps your Toyota stay healthier for longer. These days, nearly all models come with infotainment systems that support Google Maps and Apple Maps through smartphone integration. These apps help you avoid heavy traffic and suggest the quickest routes, even in real time. Instead of making 5 small trips a day, combine errands into one smooth run. Less stop-and-go driving means less stress on your engine and transmission, and better gas mileage too. Number 5. Change spark plugs and wires on time. Your engine needs a spark to fire up, and that job belongs to the spark plugs and wires. These tiny parts play a huge role in keeping your engine running smoothly and strong. Over time, spark plugs wear out. When they do, your car might be hard to start, shake while idling, waste more gas, or feel sluggish when you press the gas pedal. That's why it's important to change them on time. Usually, every 100,000 to 120,000 miles if your car uses long-lasting iridium plugs. Always check your owner's manual for the exact interval. Also, keep an eye on the wires. Cracks or damage mean they need replacing too. Here is a helpful tip. A rough, idle, or sudden drop in fuel economy is often your Toyota's way of saying, "Hey, I need new spark plugs." Don't ignore the signs. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Number 6. Change the oil on time. Oil is like liquid armor for your Toyota's engine. Clean oil protects all the fast-moving metal parts from grinding against each other. It keeps the engine cool, collects dirt and debris, and helps everything run smoothly. But here's the catch. Oil doesn't last forever. Over time, it breaks down, gets thick, and stops doing its job. And when that happens, your engine runs hotter, wears out faster, and could even fail. That's a repair bill nobody wants. For most Toyotas, it's best to change the oil every 5,000 miles, even if your car says it can go longer. Older models need it sooner, while newer ones might stretch it. But playing it safe is smarter. A quick tip: sticking to a 5,000-mile oil change routine can extend your Toyota's engine life by up to 30%, especially if you drive in stop-and-go traffic frequently. Number 7. Check and top up fluids regularly. Want your Toyota to live a long, healthy life? Start by checking its fluids. It is what keeps your car systems running cool, clean, and smooth. Every couple of weeks, pop open the hood when your car is parked on level ground. First, check the engine oil using the dipstick. It should sit between the min and max lines. Light yellow or brown means it's clean. If it's thick and dark, time for a change. For diesel Toyotas, dark oil is normal. Next, look at the coolant reservoir. The level should be between the marks, and you can top it up with a 50-50 mix of distilled water and coolant. Also, don't forget the windshield washer fluid. Use proper screen wash, not dish soap, which can ruin your paint. Surprisingly, Toyota mechanics say nearly 1 in 5 cars they service come in with dangerously low fluids. Don't be one of them. Check often and top up. Number 8. Give your car a minute to warm up. We've all done it. Start the car, throw it in gear, and hit the road. But even in most trustworthy engines like Fortuner or Yaris, skipping the warm-up can quietly hurt your engine over time. When your engine first starts, the oil inside is cold and thick, sitting mostly at the bottom. It needs a few seconds to warm up and spread across all the moving parts, like pistons, valves, and bearings. If you drive off too fast, those parts may rub together without full protection, causing friction and early wear. Instead, just let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving, especially on cold mornings. This gives the oil enough time to circulate properly. According to Toyota engineers, a 1-minute warm-up can reduce long-term engine wear by up to 60%, and it doesn't cost you a single penny. Number 9. Use your AC wisely. We all love staying cool, especially in summer, but blasting the air conditioning all the time can make your Toyota work harder. No matter which model you drive, you should run the AC constantly, especially in city traffic. Adds extra load to the engine and burns more fuel. Here's the trick. Use the AC only when needed. On cooler days, roll down the windows at low speeds instead. And if your Toyota has an eco or economy AC mode, switch to it. It uses less power while keeping you comfortable. Just remember, at highway speeds, open windows cause drag and might use more fuel than the AC, so keep them closed when cruising fast. Number 10. Keep your car battery charged. The battery is one of the most crucial parts in your car. If it goes flat, your car isn't going anywhere. If you don't drive often, especially during winter, the battery can slowly lose power. Leave it sitting too long, and it may not start at all. That's why keeping it charged is key. If your Toyota stays parked for long periods, plug in a trickle charger. It keeps the battery topped up without overcharging. If your battery's already weak, a battery conditioner might help revive it. And while jump-starting can get you going, it's not ideal. It can stress the battery and even mess with your car's electronics. Pro tip: drive your car at least once a week for 15 to 20 minutes. This simple habit can double your battery's lifespan and help avoid unexpected breakdown. Number 11. Use brakes, not gears, to slow down. If you've ever shifted down gears to slow your vehicle, you're not alone. It's called engine braking. And while it feels like a cool driving trick, it's not great for your car as it puts extra stress on the transmission, clutch, and drivetrain, parts that are much more expensive to repair than your brakes. The faster you're going when you shift down, the more damage it causes. Dropping 2 or 3 gears at once, that's even worse. Here's the better move. Always use your brake pedal to slow down. Modern Toyotas have powerful brake systems designed to handle everyday stopping safely and smoothly. A full brake job might cost a few $100, but transmission or clutch repairs, those can hit $2,000 to $4,000. So let the brakes do their job and keep the gears for driving, not slowing. Number 12. Don't ignore your timing belt. The timing belt may be small, but it's one of the most important parts under your Toyota's hood. This belt keeps your engine's pistons and valves moving in perfect rhythm. If it breaks while driving, it could destroy your engine in seconds, leading to repairs that cost $2,000 to $5,000 or more. And the worst part? Timing belts often fail without warning. That's why you should replace it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or every 7 to 10 years. Even if your car isn't driven much, heat, oil, and time still wear it down. Number 13. Change your transmission fluid on time. Your transmission is what makes your car move, and it needs clean fluid to shift smoothly and stay healthy. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid is often sealed inside and forgotten. It may look clean, but after 60,000 miles, it starts hiding metal shavings, clutch dust, and grime. These tiny bits wear down your gears like liquid sandpaper. That's why it's smart to change the fluid every 60,000 miles or 90,000 miles for hybrids. Don't flush an old system that's never been serviced. Just do a drain and fill if you've stayed on schedule. And always use Toyota-approved transmission fluid. Did you know? Skipping this service is one of the top reasons drivers face 3,000 plus transmission replacements. Now, if you find this video helpful, then be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.